So I've been meaning to make like this channel intro sort of thing for. I'm basically just trying to communicate to whoever's new to the channel and who's been with me from the start a little bit about where I am right now with what I'm trying to do and how we got here. So my name is Vedant. I'm 21 years old. As far back as I can remember, the one thing I wanted from life is to start like a business and to build it to be like a massive thing. And I realized a few years ago that I had no solid work ethic. So to combat that, I started a vlog. The vlog was super inspired by Casey Neistat. The idea was if I could be announcing to the world what I want to do in a day, I'd be accountable for it. So I wanted to take his style that I loved so much and tell my story. I told myself that if I could do it every day for 7 days, I'd tell people about it, and I did. And then I just went on to do it for like 700 days. It was pretty stupid. And while this was an incredible experience and it taught me so much, it's not great principles or rules to be building a YouTube channel with. Then again, it's never about building a YouTube channel to me. It was about building a personal work ethic and starting a business. And along the way, I went 1, 2, 3, I don't know, it was a bunch of businesses that I started and shut down, and it was a dream come true to be able to do these things. I'm probably wondering what the hell these businesses are.
Like my girls with drip, drip, drip.
It doesn't matter. One was a media company, one was a distribution firm. The only one that matters is the one that's still alive, and that is my baby. It's a business called Main Street that I started with 2 of my friends about 3 years ago. Now Main Street's a sneaker and street fashion platform that's trying to bridge the gap between the rest of the world and India when it comes to sneaker culture. And it's been through its own journey. When we started, we had like no money. We were trying to hustle it out. And when I finally got to move to Bombay for the first few months, I was crashing on my friend KK's couch. Speaking of which, it is my buddy KK's birthday today. KK is one of our earliest supporters, and he believed in the vision and he believed in us. When we started our store, 60% of it was just KK's product. He's done innumerable things for us, none of which can really be quantified into any sort of metrics. So happy birthday KK. Drop a happy birthday to KK in the comments below. But anyway, moving on. Macy started there and went through that phase, and today it's at a stage where we have a team of people and we have a store which has not been allowed to open yet because of COVID, but we have a store in Bombay in some real prime real estate. We have stable revenues, we have money coming in and going out, and it's like these small things that mean like the world to me.
Like my girls with drip, drip, drip.
The one question which is just absolutely inevitable, what about college? Somewhere along the way, I got done with 12th grade, sort of, and I decided to take a gap year to focus time into working towards things that I was building. So my results came out, and it turns out I also failed 12th grade. I would have gone through and passed, but then the gap year just went so well, and I realized that I was learning a lot of different ways, and I felt like it wasn't like a conscious decision, but college has never happened. I just feel like right now I can't leave and do it, and I don't know. I think it's cool. So what next? I don't really know.
Like my girls with.
But we're trying to build this out further, and I wanted to be back on YouTube doing this because I just felt it was such a great outlet for me to communicate with an audience and connect with people, and it was just one of the most beautiful experiences of my life. Those 700 days doing that vlog every single day. So I'm back. If you like what we're doing, let me know in the comments. Drop me a DM if you think there's something you want to do with the team, you want to join the business. And if you have any suggestions, critique, feedback, etc., you can email me or DM me on Instagram or whatever you'd like. And that's basically who I am right now. There is a distinction between me and the business, but it's the most important part of my life right now, so that's what we're gonna focus on. And that's about it for this video. It's probably a bit boring, I know, but that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.